Hi, I bought a new lock. Stanley Kwikset 80mm. It's pretty solid. And where's the keys? There. The bidding is not so great, but not too bad either. And as you can see, it's not spring loaded and it is key retaining. So yeah, so let's lock this. Give keys to my daughter, and top of the keyway tensioning, and this standard hook 23,000 from Praxis, Dangerfield Praxis Pixet, and let's try to pick this open. So I can feel a couple of spool pins here. Little bit turn of the core when I picked pin number 1 and it is open. So nothing great. I bought this about an hour ago or 2 hours ago, and I can get this open pretty fast. It took about 5 minutes first time, so yeah. As a 40 euros lock, this should be a little bit better than that, but yeah, as you can see, it isn't. So yeah, but that was Stanley 80mm Kwikset series brass shielded shutter lock. So yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video, and bye, and we see you next time.